In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in PowerPoint Microsoft. Open your PowerPoint presentation so we can add a watermark that appears consistently across all slides. The easiest and most reliable way to do this is by working in Slide Master, which controls the look of every slide layout. On the top menu, click the View tab, then choose Slide Master. This switches you to a special editing mode with a pane of master and layout thumbnails on the left. Scroll to the top of that left pane and select the large master slide at the very top, often labeled as Slide 1. Editing this master ensures your watermark carries through to every layout underneath it. With the master selected, go to the Insert tab and choose Text Box. Click anywhere on the slide to place the text box, then type the word or phrase you want to use as your watermark. You could enter something like confidential, draft, or your brand name, whatever fits your needs. As soon as you add it on the master, look at the thumbnails on the left. You'll notice the watermark appears across your slide layouts, which means it will show on your actual slides too. Now adjust the size by dragging the corner handles so it's easily visible, but not overpowering. Many people prefer placing it diagonally, so feel free to use the rotate handle above the text box to give it a gentle angle for that classic watermark look. Once you're happy with the position and rotation, highlight your text to format it. A watermark should never compete with your content, so let's soften it. Change the font color to a lighter shade of gray for a subtle, professional appearance that keeps your main content readable. If you want the color to blend with your theme, you can click the eyedropper and sample a color directly from your slide design or brand elements. This helps the watermark feel integrated rather than distracting. When everything looks right on the master, it's time to return to your normal editing view. Go back to the View tab and click Normal. You'll now see your slides with the watermark applied automatically. Because we placed it on the slide master, you won't need to paste it on each slide individually, and it will remain consistent even as you add new slides. That's it. Your watermark is in place, sized, rotated, and styled to be visible yet unobtrusive. If you need to tweak it later, just revisit Slide Master to make updates once, and they'll apply everywhere.